Hi, I'm Jen Calhoun from Benari, and this is Nonstop Mocha Cherry. And my consumer tip is not to overwater, because a lot of people think these beautiful double delicate flowers need a lot of water, need a lot of babying. But actually what you're doing by overwatering, you're not allowing the roots to pick up the nutrients that they need, and the leaves might get yellow. And it won't matter if you fertilize them, it still won't be able to pick them up. So let them dry out just a little bit before you rewater them.
It's a semi-urban it's more vigorous than the pista, which is very compact. Did you have success?